day here. Yesterday we couldn't really work too much because it started raining, but we kind of got a little work done just to see how everything fits. As you can see, this still needs to come over to this way, to the passenger side a little more. So we're gonna try pulling on this side towards that way, and this still needs a little couple more like shaves in the back.
Shave it down a little bit more.
Yeah, but for the most part, it's coming out straight, and we're gonna swap over the things from this. We do have a couple airbag codes, one for recalibrating the passenger seat, and then the other one is those two little
Sensors.
This one has the harness still attached to it, so it got ripped off.
Splice that back in.
Yeah, we'll just splice it back in. But we're gonna swap those things over. I already ordered the new head latch. I think we already have it, but I told Ford to order it just in case if we don't have it. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try pulling that. This side strapped to the palm tree because when we had it in the driveway, just pulling it this way, the whole car would shift over, so we kind of had to like stationary that side. We strapped this side and pulled it. We used the tram gauge to measure this inner hole to this fender piece because that should be not bent or moved, so we were kind of measuring from that to this hole to make sure both sides were the same even. And right now, everything seems to be straight. We're gonna park it back there and measure again, and hopefully everything's straight. These are the headlights that we got. These things are pretty expensive. And the bumper that we got is a GC350 concept. We're probably gonna take this Shelby piece off. It's kind of broken on the corner too. We're gonna slap this all together, line it, and hopefully if everything aligns, we can weld it. Got the Mustang unloaded, and we got the two pieces that we needed welded. Well, actually three. Little bracket there that holds the core support and also the frame piece. got those welded. And right now what I'm doing is the body work. There's a couple like this over here and here. There's one decently sized one right here. So I'm just gonna be filling that in. And on the other side, there's only one right here. So the other side shouldn't be too hard. I'm just doing this side because this is the more time consuming one.